Hello guys and welcome to 7boats Academy. Today we will discuss about top performing content types for YouTube. That means how you can create your YouTube content so that you can get most engagement out of this. So let's start. The first part is the latest trends. So you research from your YouTube studio and the analytics part and go what are the latest trends and people are searching. For example, fashion trends, nunchaku tricks. So these are quite popular search terms that people are watching this kind of videos. So you can work on latest trends. The next one is the challenges. So you can create videos on different challenges like ice bucket, ice water challenge was there related to health, food, survival challenges. So people love to watch this kind of videos. Third is social experiments. So you can do some kinds of social experiments, human reactions, animal reactions videos. Uh, Social experiments videos is quite popular because people love to see the reactions. The next one is you should compare various products, A versus B, like product A versus product B. You compare them with the looks, exterior, interior features, technology. So people love this. Next one is question answer videos related to job, career, health, lifestyle, motivation, relationship. These are the most engaging topic that you can create your videos, and definitely people will search. And even if you make shorts on YouTube, there is a better probability that people will watch and YouTube will show it in related videos, the personalized videos as per the people's behavior. Next one is tours and walkthrough. People love, you can do vlogging, different tours and walkthrough videos you can show them. Walkthrough videos can be on a different educational perspective, prospects also. Next one is gaming walkthrough. Especially youngsters, they love gaming walkthroughs, different kind of games, Roblox, then uh, PUBG, then BeamNG. So there are different kind of games where people love to watch it. They go through this walkthrough. So gaming walkthrough can be another one. Next is how to tutorial. If you are into educational content, then how to tutorials are very, very engaging. People search for it, they love it. So you can make how to tutorials videos. Comedy videos, if you want maximum subscribers and engagement in a short span of time, then comedy videos, pranks, gags, and humor, these are the best one to get a lot of subscriber in very short time frame. You can go with celeb and influencer videos. So you can create videos, you can create collabs with influencers and celebs, kind of interview format or kind of webinar format. People love to watch this kind of videos. Product reviews, you can review, you can do a video review of different products and you can publish it on your YouTube channel. People love this kind of product reviews. And even unboxing videos are very good. Vlogs, travelogues, these are also people love this. YouTube live and webinars. If you are into educational content, you can go with YouTube live and webinars. So people love to watch this kind of webinars. But remember, it should be crisp, point wise, because the attention span is very less. So if you want to go live or arrange webinars, it should be very pointer specific and visually appealing so that people can recall and they can get certain takeaways from it. Do it yourself videos, people love to do it yourself videos, arts and crafts, handicrafts, and a lot of other do it yourself things you can show on your YouTube. Even car repairing and different kind of tricks, do it yourself tricks, people love to watch. Next one is unboxing videos, like mobile phone, laptop unboxing. People love to watch this kind of unboxing videos. Next one is lifestyle videos. It can be yoga, health, meditation, even kind of deep sleep meditation, healing meditation, healing music. So this kind of lifestyle videos you can also do. Haul videos, shopping haul, food haul, clothing and fashion haul videos. That means you can create kind of videos where you are going to shopping mall, you're going to any food points, and you come live from YouTube and upload these videos, or you can even record it and then publish it to your channel. So this kind of videos people like. And the best of videos, like you consolidate a list, that best website development tools, best artificial intelligence content writing tools. So this kind of best 10, top 10, top 5, best 5. So this kind of videos, these are also very engaging for your users. So thank you. If you like these tips, apply and implement, and come back to write in the comment box whether you are doing any of this. And if you like this, subscribe to 7boats channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.